In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up moderator notifications for activity tracking. Staying on top of what's happening in your community is one of the most important parts of being a moderator. With the right notifications in place, you can catch problems early, respond to reports quickly, and keep your subreddit running smoothly without having to constantly refresh the page. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the simple process of enabling and customizing moderator notifications so you only get the alerts that actually matter to you. First, open your subreddit. Make sure you're logged into the moderator account that has the proper permissions. You should be on your community's main page, where you see the posts, the sidebar, and the usual layout for your subreddit. From here, we're going to head into the moderation settings. Look for the Mod Tools option. Depending on your layout or device, this might appear in the sidebar, in a toolbar across the top, or under a drop-down menu. Click on Mod Tools to open your moderation dashboard. This is where all your key controls live, like moderation queues, rules, and other community settings. Inside the Mod Tools area, find the section labeled Notifications, or sometimes Mod Notifications. The exact wording can vary slightly with interface updates, but it will clearly relate to alerts or notifications that moderators receive. Go ahead and select that option. This will open a page or panel where you can manage what kinds of activity will trigger a notification. Now you'll see a list of different alert types that you can turn on or off. These might include things like new reports, mod mail messages, actions taken by other moderators, or other types of activity in your subreddit. Carefully review each category and think about what you actually want to be notified about. For example, turning on alerts for new reports can help you respond quickly to rule-breaking content, while alerts for every single post might be overwhelming in a very active community. Toggle on the types of alerts you want. Usually, this is done with simple switches or checkboxes next to each option. As you enable them, remember that you can always come back later and adjust these settings if you find you're getting too many alerts or not enough. Once you've chosen your preferred notifications, your settings are generally saved automatically. From now on, you'll start receiving moderator notifications based on the options you've selected, helping you track activity more efficiently and keep your community in good shape.